Hi everybody. I'm thrilled to bring you this video on my new favorite product. I mean, many of you know I have been on the hunt for shampoo since I started Simple Body 13 years ago. And shampoo is a very difficult thing to make natural so that it works, it doesn't leave your hair feeling greasy or heavy. And we finally stumbled upon the best shampoo I've ever used. It's out of Germany and they use fermented fruits and vegetables. So they have a really broad line: anti-dandruff, oil, pumpkin, argan, extra volume. It's phenomenal. I've been using it. My hair feels more voluminous. It has great curl. I love it. And if you happen to be in town, I have a very limited supply of samples that I'm handing out. So if you're interested in trying it, come and see us soon. If you're not in town, jump on our website, simplebodyproducts.com, and order a shampoo. It's $13, it's very affordable, and try it. You will absolutely love it like I do.